Hey guys, I'm Travis. This is my Tacoma, and today we're doing an oil change. This bad boy is now at 46,000 miles, so let's clean her out. So we got step one. We have the 12 millimeter socket for the skid plate. Our next step is going to be drain the old drain plug right here, this guy. So last time, there's a washer right here if you look real close. That is the same washer from last time. So we got a little strategy for getting that guy off completely. So this bad boy for the 14 millimeter socket, we're good to go. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. It's best to keep an eye while this oil is pouring out. As you can see, my pan is pretty shallow and it's gonna start splashing and make a little bit of a mess, but just keep your eyes on this thing. So last oil change, that washer was stuck just like it is now, and I was using these little plastic pry tools. This one got chewed up like crazy. And this sucker would not budge. There's like an adhesive or something underneath that thing. I think it's fused pretty well. So I have this beautiful metal scraper right here. Check out the edge on this guy. We're gonna give this a shot. This should do the trick. Let's see. This booger right here, guys. Can this, let's go ahead and go. Look at that. Smooth like butter. Oil pan, drain cap, replace, back on. Step two, this got the oil filter cap. Yeah. Oh, fuck. Why did I do that like that? God damn it. No. What was I thinking? God damn it. Skip the step. Oopsies. That's what happens. Yikes. What a mess. Why? Big mistake. I skipped a step. I even had this piece. This is the piece. I don't know why I bought this specific piece. Just to make this clean and easy, you put this in here, y'all, and then you drain all that extra oil that's in the oil filter. I forgot. It's that simple. I was going off the top, off of memory what the next step was. I was like, oh, get that little thing out of the way. Where's that little thing at? Whatever, we got it. Little extra mess, little extra headache, little extra cleanup, but I promise you, that's the last time I skip that step. Alrighty, we have brand new washers for the oil filter housing. We have this guy right here. Let's take our trusty plastic guy and voila. See you later. Clean that up a little bit. And we're gonna put a fresh one on there. right out of the package. We got the big one and the little one. Goes right in there. Big guy, he's gonna be right here at the bottom. Boop. Just lift up a little bit and it should just come right out of there. Freshie, he'll get kind of greased up as he gets slid on here. There's still some residue. Can't quite get it all off. I don't think you really want to anyways. Voila, fresh. Freshie there, freshie here. Then, take your filter. Voila, that easy. Pour in 6 quarts and you're good to go.